Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transcribe audio from a Google Drive link. So if you have a recording stored in Google Drive, maybe a lecture, meeting, interview, podcast, or voice note, and you want to turn that audio into text, this video will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use free and simple tools to generate transcripts from audio files shared through Google Drive. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive and locate the audio file you want to transcribe. This could be an MP3, WAV, M4A, or another audio format. Now, right-click the file and click Share. Under General Access, make sure the file is set to Anyone with the link if you want transcription tools or other people to access it easily. Then click Copy Link. Now that you have the Google Drive link, the next step is using a transcription tool. One of the easiest options is Otter.ai. Otter is a popular transcription platform that can automatically convert speech into text. Open the website and sign in or create a free account. Once you're inside, click Import or Upload Audio. You can either upload the audio file directly from your computer or download it from Google Drive first and then upload it to Otter. After uploading, Otter will process the audio and automatically generate a transcript. Depending on the file length, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the transcription is ready, you can read, edit, copy, or download the text. Another option is Nada or Veed.io, which also support automatic audio transcription. The process is very similar. Upload the audio, wait for processing, and then export the transcript. If you want to use Google's own tools, there's another method, using Google Docs voice typing. Here's how it works. Open a new Google Doc, click on Tools, and then select Voice Typing. A microphone icon will appear on the left side. Now play the audio from your Google Drive file on another device or speaker while Google Docs listens and types the spoken words in real time. This method is free, but it may not be as accurate as dedicated transcription software, especially if the audio quality is poor or multiple people are speaking. Here's a quick tip. For the best transcription results, use audio recordings with clear sound, minimal background noise, and loud enough voices. Better audio quality usually means more accurate text. Also remember that automatic transcription tools are not perfect. You may still need to review and correct names, punctuation, or difficult words after the transcript is generated. These tools are extremely useful for students taking lecture notes, content creators making captions, businesses recording meetings, or anyone who wants searchable text from audio files. And that's basically it. You just learned how to transcribe audio from a Google Drive link using free and simple online tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.